अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, होप एवरीबडी इज़ ओके। तो आज हम लाए हैं टॉपिक जिसका नाम है नंबर सिस्टम। ओके, तो नंबर सिस्टम में हम जानेंगे सभी नंबर टाइप्स में के बारे में, जो भी टाइप आता है नंबर्स में तो उसके बारे में जानते हैं। एक्चुअली नंबर सिस्टम इज़ अ सिस्टम दैट हेल्प्स इन काउंटिंग एंड इन कैलकुलेशन। And first number type of number type, that is natural numbers that start from 1 till infinity. Okay, these numbers are used in counting. Okay, these numbers do not include negative numbers. Okay, got it. Second number type is whole numbers, and natural numbers that start from 1 2 3 till infinity. Got it. And whole numbers are those numbers that start from 0 till infinity. What is the difference then between natural number and whole number? Only 0. Actually, whole number means natural numbers plus 0. Who invented 0? Who invented 0? Answer me in comments. It's an easy question, but you need to answer that question in my comments. Okay, then third number system is, now the third type of numbers is integers. Integers, this include all the positive and negative numbers, also 0. Got it. But these numbers need to be represented on a number line. Graphically we represent these numbers graphically. Okay, in the middle of that number line is 0, and towards the right side, that is right side, and this is left side. On right side we have positive numbers, and on here we have negative numbers. So we can say all the whole numbers including negative numbers are called as integers. We can do all operations, that's addition, subtraction, multiplication, anything we can do on number line. Now number 4 is rational numbers. Rational numbers are those numbers which are in the form of p by q. That means numerator by denominator. But you have to keep in mind one thing, that p or q must p or q or whole numbers or rational or integers, but q must not be equal to 0. Got it. These are all numbers are called rational numbers. Q must not be equal to 0. That means denominator cannot be 0. Got it. Not must be not equal to 0. P by q, for example, 3 by 4, 7 by 8, 1 by 2. One thing you need to keep in mind, that every natural number is also a rational number. That is how, for example, 2, by looking at it, it is not looking a rational number, but we can divide it by 1, because dividing by 1 any number, we get the same number back. That is, nothing changes by dividing any number by 1. That is, we can divide any number by 1 without changing its value. That is, we can convert any natural number or whole number into a rational number by dividing by 1. What it another type of numbers is even numbers. It's an easy topic, but from basics we need to start. Even numbers are those numbers which are divisible by 2, leaving behind remainder equals 0. Got it? For example, 8, 20. One thing you need to know that you can identify any number, whether it is an even number or not, by just looking at its uh, digit which is at a unit place. For example, you need to remind one thing: 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Whenever a number has any one digit, whether 0, 2, 4, 6 or 8, at it is ones place, then you should conclude that the number is an even number. For example, 2, 9, 3, 7, 5, 1, 2. Just by looking at it as unit place digit, you can say whether it is an even or not. 2, yes, it is in the list. That's this is number. Oh, total number is even number. Got it? Now another numbers type is odd number. Odd numbers. This is just opposite to what we learned before, that is even numbers. Any number that is not divisible by 2 is an even odd number. Got it? Whenever we divide this number by 2, we get remainder 1. Whenever we get remainder 1, then by dividing it with 2, the number we can say that it is an odd number. You can simply look at the digit at its unit place, whether it is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. That's an odd number. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 0, 2, 1. By just looking at its unit place digit, you can say whether it is an odd or even. Yes, 1 at it is unit place, that's odd. If 9, then also odd. 3, 5, 7, it's an odd number. Got it? Then we have to know about factors, because I need to tell you about prime numbers and composite numbers. For that, you must know what factor is. Factor of a number: any number that divides bigger number leaving behind 0, then we say that the smallest number, then the small number is factor. For example, 16 is a bigger number. What number can divide it completely without leaving any remainder? For example, with 1 we can divide it. 2 8s are 4, 16, yes. 3, no, we cannot divide 16 by 3. 4, yes, 4 4s are 16. 5, no. 6, no. 7, 8, yes, 8 2s are 16, and then 16. So these are the numbers that can divide 16 leaving behind remainder equals 0. That we can say these numbers are the factors of 18, 16. Okay, one thing you need to know and remind that any number whose factor you need to know, you will get 1 as it is factor and the number itself. That means 2 factors are always of any numbers available. For example, 17 factors are 1, 17, 20, 1 and 20 are always its factors. Got it? Now we can move on. Prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers whose number of factors is only 2. That means the number that has only 2 factors is called a prime number. For example, 7. By which number we can divide 7 completely? 1 with 2, no. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Only 1 and the number itself. Another example, 11. 1, not 2, not 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yes, only two numbers, 1 and the number itself. Then we can say that these numbers are prime numbers. Okay. These are prime numbers. Now, composite numbers. Composite numbers are those numbers in which the factors are more than 2. For example, 24. 1, we can divide 24 by 1. 2, 2 12s are. 3, 3 8s are. Sorry, 3, 4 6s are. That means 4. 5, 6 6 4s are. 7, no. 8, 8 3s are. 9, 10, 11, 12, yes. And the number itself, number 1 and the number 20, number itself, these are always there, but there are more than 2 factors, then we can see the number 24 is a composite number. Another example, 60, 13, 29, 37, got it, and then 43. Okay, these are called composite numbers. Now you have to comment me the number which is even and also prime number. You have to comment me. Okay, the number which is even and also prime number. I'm waiting for your comments, please. I hope you got my today's topic. If you have any doubt regarding this, you can comment me. And also, if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel and help me in growing my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.